your trusted source for the latest in motorcycles, adventure machines, and two-wheeled innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 BMW G310 GS, the latest update to BMW's popular entry-level adventure bike. Whether you're a beginner rider or a seasoned traveler looking for a lightweight companion, the new G310 GS promises to be a compelling choice. Let's take a closer look at what BMW has done to refine this compact GS for the upcoming year. A brief look at the GS legacy. The GS badge is iconic, synonymous with exploration, durability, and go-anywhere ability. Since its launch, the BMW G310 GS has served as the gateway into the GS family, delivering adventure-ready performance in a manageable and affordable package. It's designed to be a true dual sport, equally comfortable commuting through the city or riding rough backroads. The 2025 model stays true to this philosophy, while making several key refinements that enhance its versatility and rider experience. Design and styling updates. Visually, the 2025 G310 GS keeps its rugged, aggressive styling, but with a few fresh touches that distinguish it from the outgoing version. BMW has introduced new color options, including a striking triple black variant and a rally-style livery that mirrors the aesthetics of its larger GS siblings. The LED lighting, headlamp, turn signals, and tail light remain sleek and modern, ensuring high visibility on and off-road. The body panels have been subtly reshaped for a more aerodynamic profile, and the trademark beak-style front fender gives it that classic GS stance. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the G310 GS continues to be powered by the 313 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This power plant remains €5+ compliant in 2025, producing around 34 horsepower and 28 Nm of torque, with smooth power delivery throughout the rev range. BMW has fine-tuned the throttle response for the 2025 version, making it more linear and refined, especially at low RPMs. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, and the slipper clutch, which was introduced in previous models, makes downshift smoother and reduces rear-wheel hop under hard braking. Top speed hovers around 143 km/h to 89 mph, making it perfectly capable of highway cruising, while still being light and nimble enough for city riding and light off-road trails. Suspension and handling. One of the biggest strengths of the G310 GS has always been its comfortable and compliant suspension setup, and that continues in 2025. The bike features a $41 million fork at the front and a monoshock at the rear, both offering decent travel for mild off-roading. The suspension isn't adjustable beyond preload, but for most riders, it's well balanced, soft enough to absorb bumps and rough roads, yet firm enough to handle spirited cornering. With a 19-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear, the G310 GS strikes a balance between off-road capability and on-road stability. The dual-purpose tires provide reliable grip in a variety of conditions, whether you're tackling gravel roads or urban potholes. Braking and safety features. The braking system remains reliable, featuring a single 300mm disc at the front with a radially mounted 4-piston caliper, and a 240mm disc at the rear. Dual-channel ABS comes standard and is finely calibrated for both road and light off-road use. In the 2025 model, BMW has refined the ABS intervention settings for improved control, especially on slippery surfaces. While there's no cornering ABS or traction control, features typically reserved for higher-end models, the G310 GS still offers impressive safety for its class. Ergonomics and rider comfort. BMW has paid close attention to rider comfort in this year's model. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and spacious seat all contribute to excellent ergonomics for riders of various sizes. Seat height is a manageable 835mm or 32.8 inches, but BMW also offers optional low and high seats to suit individual preferences. Wind protection is modest, with a small windshield that deflects airflow at highway speeds. For touring riders, aftermarket screens and accessories can easily enhance comfort. Overall, the G310 GS is built to be ridden for hours without fatigue, making it a great choice for weekend adventures and daily commutes alike. Technology and features. Though the G310 GS is an entry-level bike, it's not lacking in features. The fully digital LCD display provides essential readouts like speed, RPM, gear indicator, fuel range, and trip meters. It's not a TFT, but it's crisp and easy to read even in bright sunlight. The ride-by-wire throttle enables smoother acceleration and better fuel efficiency. A standard side-stand engine cutoff, adjustable brake and clutch levers, and LED indicators round out a respectable list of practical features. Unfortunately, there's still no Bluetooth connectivity or navigation integration, so tech-savvy riders may miss some of the smart features found in newer bikes in this segment. Still, the simplicity is part of the charm, especially for those who want less distraction and more riding. Fuel efficiency and range. One of the strongest points of the G310 GS is its fuel economy. The 313 cubic centimeters engine sips fuel conservatively, delivering a real-world fuel efficiency of around 30 to 35 kilometers per liter, roughly 70 to 82 miles per gallon. With its 11-liter fuel tank, you can expect a practical riding range of over 300 kilometers, around 190 miles, on a full tank. This makes the 2025 G310 GS not only an affordable bike to buy, but also to own and operate, ideal for daily commuters and weekend travelers alike. Pricing and availability. BMW has kept the pricing of the 2025 G310 GS competitive to appeal to a broad audience. Depending on your region, prices are expected to start around $6,000 to $6,500, slightly higher than some rivals but justified by BMW's build quality and brand value. Availability will vary depending on the market, but dealerships worldwide are expected to begin stocking the 2025 model by late fall of this year. Competition and rivals. In the sub-500cc adventure segment, the G310 GS faces stiff competition. Rivals include the KTM 390 Adventure, Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, Honda CRF 300L Rally, and the Suzuki V-Strom 250. While the KTM offers more power and features, and the Himalayan is more off-road focused, the G310 GS stands out for its premium finish, excellent road manners, and balanced nature. It's a true do-it-all machine that doesn't try too hard in any one direction, and that makes it especially attractive to new riders or those who prefer versatility over specialization. Final thoughts. The 2025 BMW G310 GS may not be a radical overhaul, but it doesn't need to be. It builds on an already solid foundation with improved refinement, subtle styling upgrades, and a continued focus on practical, real-world adventure riding. It's a bike that invites you to explore, whether that means heading into the mountains, navigating dirt trails, or just enjoying the daily commute with a bit more excitement. For many riders, the G310 GS will be the perfect first step into the world of ADV riding. Outro. Thanks for joining us on Bike Future. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 BMW G310 GS, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and news from the world of two wheels. Got questions or want to share your thoughts on the G310 GS? Drop them in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe, and keep exploring.